Munro College is represented this evening by Jamoy Pitter, Antonio King, Teodora Tomlinson, and team captain Kishnan Bennett. While York Castle High is represented by team captain Jonique Emmanuel, Nikhil Lalwani, Tamola Neal, and Ryoma Muir. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to round one of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move to the next round? Let's find out. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. York Castle High won and decided to send Munro in to bat first. So we begin with Munro College. The section lasts for 4 minutes. We have that time on the clock, so we'll begin, Munro, with chemistry. What is the formula for the ammonium ion?
NH4+.
NH4+.
That's right. Chemistry for your castle. What is the formula for the bromide ion?
Br-.
That's right. Local affairs for Munro. A visual one. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Sancia Benito Templar.
Sancia Benito Templar.
No, it's talk show host Emily Shields. Local affairs for your castle. Your visual clue. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Devon Sayers.
No, it's also a talk show host, Dr. Orville Taylor. Mathematics for Munro. What is the area of a circle with a diameter of 14 centimeters? Use pi as 22/7.
Pi r squared. So 22 times 7. 22 times 7.
No.
154 centimeters squared.
Repeat.
154 centimeters squared.
That's right. Good. I believe the wrong answer came first. We'll check. Mathematics for your castle. If the area of a square is 169 centimeters squared, what is its perimeter?
Diameter. Pi d.
49 centimeters.
49 centimeters.
No, 52 centimeters. History for Munro. The October 18, 1748 Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle was largely negotiated by which two countries?
France and Spain.
France and Spain.
No, France and Britain. History, your castle. The Treaty of Rastatt was a peace treaty between France and which other country?
Britain.
No, Austria. Music and audio one for Munro College. Listen to the following clip. Identify the singer. If it's not you, correct. Music for your castle. Listen to the following clip. Identify this singer.
Both left and right, and in the center
Martha Providence.
Note, Glacier Robinson, hold my hand today. Physics from Munro. What is the name given to the ratio that is determined by the number of times a wheel doing the driving turns the wheel being driven in an accelerating car?
Gear ratio.
Gear ratio.
That's right. Physics, your castle. Which of Newton's laws states that if no force acts on a body, the body's velocity cannot change and it cannot accelerate?
Newton's first law.
Good. Theatre and cinema, a visual one for Munro. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Angelina Jolie.
Angelina Jolie.
That's right. Theatre and cinema for your castle. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Penelope Cruz.
That's right. Spanish from Munro. When traveling on an aircraft, what is el equipaje de mano?
Hand luggage. Hand luggage.
Hand luggage.
That's right. Spanish for your castle. When traveling overseas, what is el billete de avión?
Ticket. Plane ticket.
That's right. Sport or visual for Munro. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Lando Norris.
Lando Norris.
Formula One driver. Correct. Sport your castle. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Carlos Sainz Jr.
Carlos Sainz Jr.
Also an F1 driver, that's right. Information technology. FLOPS, F-L-O-P-S, is an abbreviation for a unit of measurement used to quantify how powerful a computer's processor is. What does the acronym FLOPS stand for?
Floating point operations per second.
That's right. Information technology for your castle. IMAP, IMAP, is the abbreviation for one of the most common protocols for email retrieval. What does IMAP stand for?
Internet Message Access Protocol.
Very good. Literature, Munro, and that is the bell. We won't have time to proceed to literature. That's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be Munro College just ahead on 7 points, your Castle High on 6. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Stay where you are. School's challenge quiz returns right after these messages.